Hi children, good morning. Have a nice day. This is your English teacher. Take good food children. Be healthy, be happy. Okay? Now come to the lesson. Who will be Ningto? In previous video we started the lesson who will be Ningto. What is meant by Ningto children? Yes. Ningto means king. What is meant by Lima? Very good. Lima means queen. What is meant by Miam? Yes, Miam means people. Here in this story is from Manipur. Manipur is one of the states in our country. Here king and queen had no children. So their Miam are praying to God, please give one son to our Ningto. After that, king and queen got one son. After that, next year also, queen gave birth to second son. And third year also, Lima, that is queen, gave birth to third son. So continuously like that. After 12 years later, how many years later? Yes, 12 years later, queen gave birth to a baby, that is girl. So now king and queen have 3 sons and 1 daughter. Okay children, see here, Lima the queen, Ningto the king, Sanajoba eldest son, Sanema second one, and youngest one Sanatomba. And the daughter's name Sanatombi. See, nice family, no? Very good. So now how many sons and how many daughters did king and queen have? Very good. 3 sons and 1 daughter. Okay, let us continue our lesson. See children, the years went by and the children grew up. The years went by and the children grew up. See here how the children are playing. They are enjoying their childhood now. Yes. After that the king grew old. So children are playing. Children are grew up. Automatically king also grew old. Then what's the next thing? See here. One day he gathered all his subjects. Here subjects means people who lived in that area, that is Manipur. Mia, people. They collect all the people. And what is he saying? See children. It is now time I name the Tungi Ningto the future king. Here Tungi Ningto means future king. Here king wants to decide future king. Why Nana? Why he wants to decide the future king? Can you tell me? Yes, very good. Why? Because he grew old. So he wants to decide future king. Here what is the reaction of the people? See here. But oh Ningto, what is there to decide? Sanajoba, your eldest son, will be our future king. What are they saying? What is the need of selection of Tungi Ningto, my dear king? Actually, your eldest son, who is eldest son? Sanajoba, will be our future king. In olden days, who is the eldest son? That will be already declared as coming king, that is future king. So that he is telling like that. But what is the king's reaction? Well, that's how it happened in the olden days. Okay, you said that right only, but that happened in olden days. The eldest son always become the king. But times have changed. What is his opinion? Times have changed. So So let us select the one who is the most worthy of becoming the king. Here worthy means who is capable, who is correct person to select a king. That is important. Eldest son only the future king, that is not right thing. Times have changed, so I have to select the future king. And so there was a contest for the 3 boys. What is meant by contest? Competition. What is that competition king wants to conduct? A horse race. Whoever reached the Kongnong, the banyan tree, first would be declared the future king. Here Kongnong means banyan tree. So whoever reached the Kongnong, banyan tree, first, who will reach first? Only that person should be declared as the future king. Okay, then 3 sons, 3 boys start to reach the banyan tree Kongnong. See how they are moving. What is the sound? Thadak, thadak, thadak. See, so how fast they wants to reach Kongnong. See what happened here? What happened here? 3 sons reached at the same time. 3 sons reached the same time. Okay? They all reached the finish line at the same time. So at the same time he reached the finish line. There was great excitement. Is it right or not? No one reached first. All at once they reached the finish line. So all are, yes, there was a great excitement. But one question still remains. What is that? Who would be the Tungeningtao? Why? Yes, all came at once. 3 boys at once came here. See children. 3 boys came and they reached the line at a time. So one question still remains. What is that? Who would be the Tungeningtao? The king and queen turned to their sons. Both of them turned to their sons. And king is telling, such fine horsemen. You are very good horsemen. You are riding also very nice and very fast. You have proved that you are expert horsemen. You have proved that you are expert horsemen. Now do something different. Each of you. Okay. All of you reach the line same time. So you have to do something different. Each of you, not all at once. Each of you. So that we can decide who will be the future king. Then only we can decide who will be the future king. The boys bowed. Bowed means like this, bending their heads and looked at each other and smiled. They are bowed and they are showing like this each other and simply smiled. All the while they were thinking. What are they thinking? What are they thinking? Yes. In their minds one question arises. What is that? What is the thing we have to do something different? We have to think which thing we have to do different. Alone, not all now, yet. Immediately, what happened? Suddenly, Sanachoba mounted his horse and held his spear right in front of him. See here, this is the spear, like this. See here, Sanachoba held his spear straight in front of him. This is the spear, Nana. Spear means a weapon with pointed tip. See here, this is the spear. This is the pointed tip. This is very sharp. This is very sharp. He galloped at top speed towards the huge banyan tree, standing majestically in the distance. See here how simply he is taking spear and jumped. See, very difficult now this is. Yes. Here gallop means proceed at great speed. How much speed means, see, banyan tree crack sound. That means banyan tree cracked. And before anyone realized what he was doing, remaining all are watching, but what is going on, they can't imagine. Realized what he was doing. He pierced the tree and jumped his horse right through it. See here. Through it. That means he pierced the tree and entered through the tree from this side to that side. See. It is very difficult now. Yes. But he did. Then whose turn? Yes. Sanayama. He is Sanayama. The Sanayama too mounted. Mounted means climbed up. The Sanayama too, here too means also. Sanayama too mounted his horse. He rode towards the tree. He rode towards the tree. Harder and harder. Not slowly. Very harder and harder. When he was really close, he urged his horse to jump. Urged means strongly recommended. That means give us encouragement to climb up very high. Higher and higher the horse and the rider rose until they jumped clear over the huge tree. Huge means very big. Banyan tree is a huge tree, no, very big, no. Banyan tree is not a small. It is very big tree, huge tree. And landed on the other side in one fluid motion. Fluid motion means move very easily. To jump over the tree from one side to another is very difficult thing. But Sanayama did that thing very easily. Fluid motion. Easily he jumped one side to another over the tree. See how he is jumping over the tree. He jumped from this side to that side. Okay. Now whose turn? Good. Sanatomba. Now see what is going on, Sanatomba. And now it was the turn of the youngest son, Sanatomba. He too rode his horse towards the banyan tree, and before anybody knew what was happening, eldest son jumped through the tree, and second one, Sanayama, jumped over the tree. Now they are thinking what is going to do this Sanatomba. But what is going on? What happened? What was happening? Uprooted it. What is meant by uprooted? Yes, uprooted means pull the tree out of the ground. That is so hard, no, that thing. That is not a plant. That is a huge tree. That huge tree uprooted means it is very difficult. Only so strong person can do it. So triumphantly he carried the tree. See, triumphantly he carried the tree to the Ningtu and Lima and laid it at their feet. At their feet. See ma, how difficult thing that is. Yes. He uprooted the tree and laid it at their feet. Whose feet? Yes. Ningto and Lima, king and queen. Okay. Oh, what commotion there was. Here commotion is noisy disturbance. If any competition is going on, your friend is there, what did you want? Yes, your wish is to win your friend. That time you will call To win? Yes. You will call that person name, no? So like that, Sanatomba did this difficult thing. Then immediately that people are shouting, Sanatomba, Sanatomba, Sanatomba. That is noisy disturbance. They are shouting. Why? Because they are thinking Sanatomba is the winner of this game and he will be the future king. See, wonderful. Bravo. Very wonderful. So brave this Sanatomba was there, thinking like that. Most of the people wanted Sanatomba to win. Most of the people wanted Sanatomba to win. Wasn't he the strongest? Tell me, children. Wasn't he the strongest? Yes, he is so strong. Then he was so strong. Otherwise, he can't do like that thing, no? Uprooted the tree is not a simple thing. It is very difficult thing. Okay? Now you decide, dear readers, who should be the Tungi Ningto? That is the future king. Tell me. Here, the Ningto and Lima were watching Sanatombi, their 5-year-old daughter. Here the contest is going on. And the Ningto and Lima were watching Sanatombi. What is she doing? They were watching. How many years old? Yes, 5 years old daughter. See, what is she doing? How is her face, children? So sad, no? Why she was sad? See here. The Kongnong is dead. It was hurt by the spear and now it is dead. She felt very sad. Why? Because Kongnong, the banyan tree, is dead. Why Kongnong is dead? Because it was hurt by the spear and now it is dead. A silence fell. All are shouting now before. Now, after listening the Sanatombi words, all be silent. A silence fell. Now, what is Queen is telling? A Ningto is one who sees to it that everyone in the kingdom is happy. Is it right or not, children? Yes. In kingdom, Ningto always to see everyone happy. A Ningto is one who doesn't hurt anybody in the kingdom. That is must know? Yes. King never hurt anyone at any cost. So, a Ningto is one who doesn't hurt anybody in the kingdom. The people were all attention. The Ningto looked at the 3 boys and then at the little girl. The king looked at 3 sons and after that at the little girl. Then see what is king is saying. If anybody is worthy of becoming the ruler, it is little Sanatombi. Why? See, it was she who told us to look at the soul of the Kongnong. Soul of the Kongnong. Soul means feeling, not only our feeling. Trees, birds, animals, everyone feel happy and sad, everything. She feels the pain of the people, the animals, the birds and trees. Not only the human beings. She feels the pain of people, animals, birds and trees. So, the king wants to say, I declare Sanatombi the future Lima. Okay? Why did she declare Sanatombi is the future Lima? Why? Because she feels the pain of the people, the animals, the birds and the trees. So, king declares Sanatombi the future Lima. Okay, children? See here. All birds came near to Sanatombi. They feel very happy. Why? Because She is the true lemma. That is S. Sanatombi is the future lemma. See now, she is very happy now. And this birds also very happy. Why? Because she feels the pain of birds, trees and animals also. See, very nice now. So children, you never hurt any animal and tree or any bird also. Not only the living, these are living things only, no? Yes, not only the human beings, we should not hurt birds, animals and trees also. We should take care of them also. Okay children, now did you understand? Did you like this lesson? Did you enjoy by listening this lesson? Very good. Very good children. After that, you should, I have sent worksheet about this lesson. Complete that worksheet with a neat handwriting and send me. Okay children, thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.